This is unit number 131, one of our beautiful 16-inch full lace units from Magic Hair Company, and I'm going to cut some bangs into this lovely unit, so stay tuned for the updated results. And so now I've sectioned the hair off here in this front lace unit, and I'm going to cut the bangs. And now I've sectioned this area off here to cut bangs in this unit. You can still see through to the part, the baby hair right here on the side, so it's still gonna give a really natural look once we cut these bangs in this unit. Okay, so we cut bangs into this unit here. You see the baby hair on the side still, and then I'm gonna fully saturate the unit and show you what this looks like when it's all done. So this unit today, we came in, it is a 16-inch full lace unit that we cut bangs into it. And what this unit for this lovely client today, how do you like it?
I love, love, love it. It feels wonderful. It's light, it's airy. It really does the job. You can wear it straight, you can wear it curly. I love it.
How's your experience been?
I feel like royalty. I'm always treated with the best respect. I get everything I want. I love coming here. I think if you want to be treated right, you want something that looks perfect, this is the place to be.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with Magic Hair Company, where we specialize in making custom units. We do custom color and installations right here in store.